I made it over to 14 Cottage Street, guys. We have made a lot of progress with this project over the past couple of weeks. We've begun our flooring, which is about 50% complete. Will be completed by this weekend, as well as our tile is approximately 95% complete. We've begun to set our vanities, so we're really excited to stay on track for our closing with our buyer in Unit 2 at the end of August. We're here in the basement at 95 West Walnut Park. If you guys had seen me in here about 4 weeks ago, I would have had to duck. But we have now about 10 feet of ceiling height so that we can build our living space down here in our basement, which will be 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms for Unit 1 here at this project. This was a very exciting part of the project, as well as complicated in terms of coordinating different subs and temp support so that we could get this basement about 2.5 feet lower. Something we've also done since last time is we have marked and we are preparing to dig all of our plumbing trenches. Since we have below grade, which is below ground, plumbing, we have to put all of our drains in prior to pouring our basement slab. So those trenches will be dug, that way they can pitch the correct direction to the new sewer line that will be installed, and this basement will be finished off right. I am standing in the middle of our soon-to-be addition. Our footings are going to start to be formed at the end of this week and poured as well. And our addition is going to come out here and follow these beautiful trenches that were dug. We're going to have a garage on our first level of our addition, as well as 2 levels of living that are tied into the main house behind me to turn the units from about 1,000 square feet into 1,600 to 1,800 square foot units. It's going to be really big, tied in with that finished basement that you guys just saw me in as well. And we're excited to have all of our site work wrapped up in about a week and a half. Finally here at 19 Suffolk Street. The last time you guys saw it, we were actually pouring our foundation. So since then, we have poured our foundation as well as backfilled our site to complete our site work. So now we have a nice, beautiful, clean-looking site that is ready for steel to be erected in about 5 weeks. We have about a 5-week lead time on a bunch of steel that's going into the structure of this building. But as soon as that goes up, we will start to see this building really start to take shape.
Hey guys, it's Alex Shakola from Wollaston Real Estate Investments. I'm standing in front of 89 Central Ave, our labor of love, our luxury 3-family condo conversion project here in Chelsea, Massachusetts. We're super stoked because we've passed all of our building inspections and we're getting ready to obtain our certificate of occupancy, which means the building is now safe and people can live in it. So that's very exciting. We've got our first unit, the first floor, under agreement. Our buyer is going to be purchasing that condo next month, and we've been showing Unit 2 and Unit 3 over the last couple weeks. We've got a handful of interested buyers, a handful of second showings, and I think we'll get those locked up hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so, and we can sell out this building. Thanks for checking us out. We appreciate it.